14 useful tips and tricks to winterize your home. Winterizing your home is essential for combating cold weather and maintaining a cozy, healthy environment. Insulation, draft blocking, and warm decor can make your home more comfortable. 1. Winterize your house with thermal insulation. Insulating your house ensures warm air circulates inside. Major areas to insulate include attics, walls, and crawl spaces. 2. Block drafts to keep your home warm. Drafts, caused by gaps in doors and windows, can lead to energy loss and discomfort in your home. Closing all openings, identifying drafts, and sealing them can retain warm air and block cold air. Weather stripping installation is an effective solution to eliminate drafts and enhance home insulation. 3. Winter decor to winterize house. Choose energy-efficient LED lights and warm furnishings for your winter decorations. Enhance your home with air-purifying houseplants and elevate the beauty of your space with mindful choices. 5. Make sure your pipes are not freezing. Wrap exposed pipes, focusing on joints and bends. Set your thermostat no lower than 55 degrees Fahrenheit if leaving home. Open cabinets under sinks to share warm air with pipes. 6. Keep your home warm this winter with passive heating. 7. Check the position of your radiators. Any furniture blocking radiators should be moved aside. 8. Use the perfect winter rugs for warmth under your feet. 9. Allow the influx of sun rays. Warm up your home this winter by opening all the curtains and letting your house flood with natural light and the warmth of the sun. 10. Duct booster fans. If you want forced hot air, then you can use duct booster fans that increase the flow of warm air via a duct in an excessively cold area. 11. Curtains and linens. Curtains act as a tight-fitting covering for windows that help trap heat inside. Velvet bed linen and other stuff can block a cold breeze from entering the space. 12. Warm lights. To make your home winter-friendly, use more warm-colored lights like off-white, golden, yellow. 13. Invest in some great heating gadgets for your kitchen right away. 14. Use reverse ceiling fans. Fan moving clockwise sucks cold air upwards and throws warm air towards the floor and vice versa. You can always winterize your home with the easy tips and tricks mentioned here and enjoy this beautiful season of snow.